Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's me, Johnny here, and today's video we have something a bit different today. Right here we have a fan, which I've never posted anything about fans before. Specifically, this is a Restoration Hardware ALLIARE No.8 fan. As you can see, we have the tag back here. There it is. You can see all the information about the fan. It's pretty small, as you can see. There's my hand compared to it. Right here we have our speed adjustment, and something to note is that it actually starts at 1, which is very interesting. Definitely something that I've never seen before, and I actually picked this up for free today, which is awesome. So yeah, we're actually going to be restoring this fan, but before we do, I'm actually going to give you guys a quick test so we can see how it acts before we restore it. So, let's go. Alright, let's give it a test. So, we're going to ramp it all the way up to 3. No rotation. Let's go. And there it is. As you can see, it sounds like it's a little bit off balance. I guess that's fine, but maybe I'll fix that. Also, it's very, very quiet. I mean, it's a tiny fan, so I wouldn't expect it to be very loud. Also, it does actually push a decent amount of air out, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's turn on the rotation. You can see the speed goes down just a little bit from the rotation pulling some stuff from the motor. But yeah, it's actually really cool how it rotates like that. It's pretty nice rotation. Pretty much 90-degree rotation right there. Alright, let's put it down to 2. Huge loss of speed there on number 2. Okay, let's turn off the rotation. You can see the speed goes up a little bit when the rotation's turned off. Okay, let's turn it down to 1. Wow, on number 1, this thing is barely spinning. Like, barely. Look at that. It's only going like, very, very slowly. Okay, let's turn the rotation on and see how slow it goes. Oh my gosh. Number 1 is like nothing, bro. Oh my god, this is actually insane. Look at how slow this thing is rotating. Oh my god, bro. Okay, now let's just turn it off. Wow, that stopped so fast. Alright, wait, let's see how fast it takes to stop at full speed. Oh wait, hold on, I gotta do that again. Wow, that's really fast. Okay, so we're now going to start to disassemble the thing. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by taking the cover off for the fan itself. So I guess all I really have to do is just take off these Phillips head screws. They have nuts attached to them, so let's see what happens. Take off the cover, and there it is. Wow, look at how dusty that is, bro. Oh my god, that's dusty. That definitely needs a cleaning. And of course the fan blade is absolutely disgusting. Look at this, bro. That's actually horrible. This whole thing needs a cleaning desperately. Okay, yeah, I can just feel the layers of freaking dust on this thing. Oh my god. Okay, let's take off the blade. There it goes. And should be able to just pull it off. There it is. Oh, jeez, that is disgusting. Look at this. Look at this thing. Ew, this definitely needs a cleaning. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's take off the back cover off of the motor. Okay, I got off the back cover. Okay, here's the back cover. Dusty as well. Very disgusting. So, yep. Now, I guess what I'll do is take the motor assembly and stuff off of these stands. So I think all I really have to do is just take out this knob. And then, okay, I will be right back with a wrench. Okay guys, I'm now back with the wrench. Actually, it is a tool set, so I'm going to need to figure out the right size. Yeah, that's it. Alright, found the size. So let's take the bolt off. Okay. I'm getting dirty. That is totally okay. Take this off. There we go. And there we go. Okay, we now separated the motor assembly from the stand. So now I kind of want to open up the stand. Oh, that's literally all it is. Okay, let's work on the motor. I think I might take it apart because it looks kind of disgusting. So let's do that. I think it's going to be quite a bit of screws to take this apart. It just comes like literally right off. Alright, cool. Now the back cover's off. Oh, there's so much grease on it. Alright, yeah, it's a double-sided motor. Wow, that's the motor right there. That's pretty cool. Alright. Yeah, sure, this thing is disgusting. Okay, let's start to clean this freaking thing off. We're going to start off by going to clean off the covers and the fan blade itself. So let's go into the bathroom, bring it to the sink. Let's go, baby. Let's take my cleaning toothbrush and just start going. Really good. Alright, that's definitely a major upgrade from when it last looked. Look at this thing, nice and shiny as you can see. Now we'll move on to the most dustiest part. Look at this freaking thing, let's go. There are some little black spots on there, but really I cleaned it to the best of my ability, so it looks way, 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 way better than it did. Let's clean the blade off. Here we go. Pretty proud of myself. Check that out, guys. That looks freaking amazing. All right. Now, let's go see what else we can clean up. Okay, we got more. Look at this, bro. This is horrible. Let's give it a quick cleaning, shall we? Isn't that way better? Look at that. Definitely way better than it was. Okay, next part, the back cover. Let's go. to see. Okay, let's clean off the rotator now. Go. Okay, let's just clean this little part up real quick. Okay, there it is. Looks pretty good. Okay, I just brought the electronic parts in here, and instead of washing them, I'm just going to use the toothbrush, and I'm just going to go over it. Okay, I think you did a pretty good job, guys. Alright, let's go take it back into the room and reassemble it. Alright guys, we're back in here. Now it's time to freaking reassemble this thing. So let's go. These are all the parts that we washed. Get in my chair. Here's the electronics. The heavy motor. And let's do this. Okay, first thing I'm going to start off by doing is putting the metal cover back on here. Bro, reassembling this is like the funnest part, I'd say. Obviously cleaning is pretty fun, but I'd say the reassembly is probably the funnest part of doing stuff like this. Okay, let's put that there. Now, I'm not going to screw these in just yet, because I'm actually going to use a wire brush and clean up those screws. So that actually goes on there. But before I put that back on there, let's actually reassemble the motor part, since that's the most important part. Going to go grab my wire brush, and then we can fix that thing up. Okay guys, I got my wire brush. Let's clean up these screws right here. It's very simple. All I have to do is just freaking twist it like this. Just go back and forth. Change the direction of the screw, and just continue this until it looks shiny. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick water break, guys. Remember, stay hydrated. Always drink water, remember that. Remember that one thing. Let's go. Let's continue this. Pretty solid. Okay, let's start putting this thing back together. Okay, let's put these screws back on. If I used a wire brush to it, it's just going to take the paint off. I don't want to take the paint off. Actually, never mind. Alright guys, so unfortunately while my phone was recording it died, and also my storage also ran up too. So as you can see, we got most of the fan assembled here. We got the motor and the rotator working. Looks pretty cool actually. It's on full speed right now. Turn it to 2 and to 1. So yeah, it's really cool. Alright, so now we're going to continue assembling it. Put the covers on. Wait, so we're going to start off by putting the cover on, the back cover. So let's go. there's the back cover. Wow, this is looking excellent. All right, get the extremely small fan blade, push it on, and screw in the screw. There we go. The blade's in place. Very nice. Put on this front cover and put all the screws in place. This is gonna take a minute, so let's go. I'm just going to end the video and then start it up when it's all assembled. All right, guys, I just got the fan fully assembled. Here it is. This thing looks absolutely immaculate. I can't believe I made it look this good. It looks like it's almost brand new, like I just bought it. This thing looks absolutely amazing. So let's just give it a quick test and that'll be the end. So let's start off with speed 1. As you can see, extremely slow. I don't know why it's that slow, but let's turn off the rotation. It speeds up quite a lot now. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's go to 2. Whoa, I feel a little bit of water coming off. I feel like that's faster than before. That's not that bad. Wow, that's pretty good actually. That's pretty awesome. Look at that. Turn on the rotation. Wow, it slows down a lot when you turn it on. Look at this thing. You can see it spinning there. That is pretty awesome. This fan is really cool, and I'm glad I could pick this thing up for free. So that is quite amazing for free. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching this video. And I know it's a bit different from my typical videos, but yeah. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.